How to configure token authentication for on-demand approvals links in Esko's WebCenter. First, log in as an admin and navigate to the admin page. Under the Configuration tab, navigate to the Authentication SSO tab. You may have other single sign-on instances configured. If you do not have one configured labeled Token Authentication for the plugin type, we'll click New SSO Instance in the top right. We can give it a standard name. For the plugin, we'll choose Token Authentication. Click Create. Next, you'll need to enable the plugin. Click Save. If you need to, you can click Configure and enable expiration for these links and how long the links should last. I'm going to change mine to 30 days. Now token authentication has been enabled. I can create a new user. And I have a new menu item for authentication types under my user. To configure the approval links, I can create a new template user. Just use a dummy email. I'm going to toggle off basic password authentication and enable token authentication. If I need to determine a menu type, I could. I can also choose when this user should be deactivated. So I'll choose after 5 working days and continue. Don't need to assign a company. Next, under General Preferences, we have a user creation preferences and a user template. I can choose my approval link user. Now let's create an on-demand approval link for a new user that is not currently within WebCenter. So I'm going to navigate to a project. I'll navigate to the file that I want to set up the approval cycle for. I can add an approver. If the user is not currently in the system, I can create a new user on the fly. I can assign this person to a company if I need to. And then I can see that my login URL will be generated on user creation because this is using the approval user template. I'll create and invite this user. I can then start the approval cycle. I'm going to log out. I'll then navigate to my email client. I can see that I've gotten a new email. Select the email. I have some basic information such as the name of the file I need to approve. Click View Document. That will immediately bring me into the WebCenter viewer. Here I can choose to approve or reject the file. I'll approve this file and finish. And that's the basics for setting up token authentication for simple on-demand approval links for users.